What it do? Welcome to the Veganlicious kitchen. If this is your first time here, you already know. Don't let it be your last time here, and you do that by what? Clicking on the subscribe button, which is either on your left hand side. This is your left hand side. But being that the camera is converted, this is the right hand side. Okay, so click on it so you'll be notified when I post new tasty vegan plant-based recipes. Okay, so today in Veganlicious kitchen I'm making a carrot cake, a delicious, tasty, tantalizing carrot cake. Carrots are great for the skin, the eyes, and the immune system, and they have many benefits for the body. Okay, so let's grab the ingredients and let's get this started. Let's go. To the cupboards and the refrigerator we go. Okay, so I have all the ingredients. Let me show you what you're gonna need for this tasty carrot cake. Okay, first, you can use almond milk or any nut milk that you choose. Okay, I'm choosing almond milk. Okay, I'm gonna use some oatmeal. Okay, you're gonna use chia seeds. You see, chia seeds. We're gonna use carrots. I don't know if I have enough carrots because some little critter in the house eats all the carrots. Okay, we're gonna use dates right there. We're gonna use walnuts. These are walnuts. They're in a Ziploc bag. Oh, wait, these are pecans. These are not walnuts. Okay, I have walnuts. We're using walnuts, not pecans. We're gonna use coconut. Banana. I have one banana left. I must make it to the markets. Use a very ripe banana, okay? Here's my walnuts. I found them. I'm very low on walnuts. Got to go to the store. Okay, now here's all the seasons that you're gonna put in. Pink salt. I'm low on pink salt. You're gonna use nutmeg, okay? Cinnamon, cloves, and vanilla. Okay? Let me tell you about these cloves. Cloves are godsend. All this stuff is godsend. But if your tooth hurts, put this in your mouth. And what? Your tooth will no longer hurt. Okay? Just place the clove on the location where your tooth is hurting, and voila. Pain is gone. Okay, so I gave you all the ingredients that are needed for this great tasting carrot cake. So now we're going to blend things up, and once we blend it, we're going to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes, and after that we're going to make a delicious cream cheese. I mean frosting using cream cheese, Cool Whip, and some plant milk. So let's start the process because I want some carrot cake. How about you? I do. Okay, so I blended up the carrots. You see, they're blended. I put them in the food processor. So that's what they're looking like. They don't look that orange, but there they go. Orange. Okay? So we're going to take them out the food processor. Then we're going to throw every other ingredient that I named off into the food processor. So let's clean this out. This is simple, people, simple. Okay, so there he is, lurking around me for some carrots. I don't have any more to give you, bud. Okay, and it's not dinner time for you yet. So, go do something with yourself until dinner time. Okay, that's Cosmo. Okay, so now we're going to throw in the other ingredients into the food processor. I put the walnuts in, put like a cup of walnuts. I'm going to put a half a cup of oats. I really don't measure, I just do it by sight, okay? But I'm trying to help y'all out a little bit. We're going to add like 1/4 cup of milk, the almond milk, so it blends up, right? Yep. Then we're going to add in the dates. Everything is going into the food processor. Okay, the dates I have to take the pits out of because those have pits in it. They also come with no pits, but I picked up the ones with the pits, so I'm going to have to take the pits out. Now we're going to throw in the banana. Okay, everything will get chopped up in the food. Add in your chia seeds. I thought I was out of chia seeds. I'm like, oh no, I can't be out of chia seeds. So I found more chia seeds. And I took the pits out of the dates and I put 4 dates in there. I probably put one more. Then we're going to put our coconut oil. Okay. This needs to be like sort of melted a bit, but it's not. It's fine. I'm still going to use it. It's soft. So I'm going to put a tablespoon full of that, right? And now we're just going to add in all of our herbs. So cloves, like I said, they are godsend. Buddy, when that tooth starts hurting, put that on it. Eliminate it immediately. Okay? Trust and believe. Okay, so everything is blended. All the ingredients I told you about, there it goes, all in one. So now we have our pan, and we're going to place some parchment paper inside the pan. Okay? Parchment paper. I don't use aluminum foil. No, I don't. I use parchment paper. And parchment paper will have all the chemicals that the aluminum foil has. Okay, so place your parchment paper inside the pan and leave enough parchment paper on the side so you can just lift it up and out of the pan when it's done. Okay, so let's place all the mix in here. So y'all get the gist, right? You're just going to throw this all into the pan. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you make your frosting for your carrot cake. First, we're using Veganlicious, which is 100% vegan. You see, it says it right there. Then we're going to use Cool Whip, but this is called True Whip, and it is vegan as well. Okay, so those are the 2 ingredients you need for your Cool Whip. Just mix them together, combine, and stir. Then spread it on top of your carrot cake. And I know I have the camera all up in my face when it should be down while I'm making the recipe, but my ring light broke. I don't know how that happened. When I came back from out of town, it was broke. So I gotta buy a new one. So I'm making it do what it do with what I got. Okay? So that's why the camera's up instead of down. So let's continue on. Okay, here's our frosting. Here it is. Now we're going to place it on top of our cake. It should be cooled a little. It is. Just going to frost it. Smoosh it around. I'm going to let you see in a minute. Just want to show y'all the finished masterpiece. Not a cake baker. I think I should have let this cake cool a little more because my frosting is melting. But that's okay. It's okay. It's still going to taste great. I'm going to throw it in the refrigerator as soon as it's done. Let's throw my little carrots on top. Okay. Well done. Okay, so let me show y'all what it should look like. But we're going to put it in the refrigerator so it can cool. Take this off the iPad. Can you see? There is my carrot cake. We got the little carrot niblets on top, shredded carrots, and this is the cake. Okay, so I'm putting it in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to taste it after. Okay, so be back. Okay, so here's my carrot cake. There's the cream cheese topping with some carrots on top. There's the carrot cake. Now let's see how it tastes.
Let's give praise to the man upstairs. Without him, there's no us. Here we go. Put the head down. Bow, there it is.
Lay down.
Delicious.
Well, what can I do for you and those fine people
What
is that?
Taste it.
Wait.
It's a carrot cake bar.
Good real carrots.
Hurry up for the video cuts.
Using taxpayer money on government property, you were symbolically taking a stand in favor of the gay marriage agenda. Oh, I'm sorry, but hold on a second.
It's missing something.
What is it missing?
My intention at all. Why else would you marry penguins?
Don't taste like much.
I really believed that it would be cute.
What does it taste like? It don't taste like much. It needs okay, so thank you for watching. My child has disappeared. But thank you for watching the Veganlicious show. My carrot cake tastes delicious. I just had to let it cool a bit and let the frosting set. So right now it's popping, okay? So if you're interested in buying my Veganlicious ebook or wanting to purchase food from my food page, or you just want to cash at me for a matcha, all the information is below in the description box. Again, everything you give always comes back tenfold. Trust and believe it, okay? So, thanks for watching again, and please subscribe to my channel. Click the link. Click on the subscribe button. That's all you have to do. Enjoy your day, but don't just enjoy your day. You already know. Enjoy life. My frosting is dripping. Iluvo. Carrot cake.